so Marco at Billet Design was nice enough to let us take the 2020 Supra with an upgraded turbo for a spin.
Wow.
They used to be Verbals, now they're man pups.
Oh yeah. This is like everything you'd want out of this car.
Alright guys, what's up? Javier from That Racing Channel. We're here at FL 2K19. We found this beautiful red 2020 Supra, and it belongs to our really good friend Marco from Billet Design Motorsports. Coolest thing about this is they already made a custom turbo kit for the car. So we're gonna give you an in-depth look and we're gonna go for a ride and show you guys the Supra. What's up, Marco? Good to see you, man. So go ahead and rev it up for us. Here she is. You got a turbo smart wastegate there. Custom manifold. We'll ask him what kind of turbo it is. Upgraded turbo. And I don't think I've ever seen a blow-off valve on a new Supra. So what turbo's on the car?
It's a 65mm turbo.
Okay.
We have an electronic wastegate and the Turbo Smart external wastegate, 40mm.
Awesome.
And a Turbo Smart blow-off valve, of course.
So right now it's just tuned on factory computer?
Factory computer, and we run it up to E30 with this turbo.
So is it on E30 now? Or pump
Right now
gas?
it's on E30.
Right now it's on E30?
I have
Okay.
the boost down right now.
Sweet.
And with this kit, I'd like to see expecting over 700.
Nice. That's badass. Let's take a look inside here. Oh, got the custom fitted e-boost too. Dude, this is nice. This is Alcantara?
Yeah, we did the headliner also.
Oh, nice. It's fancy, man. It looks real nice. So everybody that watches the channel probably remembers that we took one of the first 2020 Supras and drove it down here to Bradenton Motorsports Park with Victor from Induction Performance and a white 2020 Supra that he got, and we were one of the first ones to run it down the drag strip. So that was such a blast, and I haven't had a chance to really get to enjoy or ride in or drive any of them with an upgraded turbo, so it should be pretty badass. Jeez. Is that a factory exhaust, or do you guys have exhaust on that?
Right now we have the factory exhaust on it.
Dude, it sounds great. It sounds great though.
Making sure it fits with our kit. Perfect, so everything fits good.
Awesome, awesome. All right guys, so Marco at Billet Design was nice enough to let us take the 2020 Supra with an upgraded turbo for a spin. So let's go ahead and put it in the right modes here. So we're gonna do sport, get that thing kicking, and then I think let's go ahead and turn. We don't need that traction control. So Nick, the last time you were in one of these, we were driving down from Georgia to do the world's first 2020 Supra drag strip pass at this same spot, Bradenton
Yes,
Motorsports
we
Park.
were. Feels good to be back.
Yeah, man. So the last time you were in it, it was absolutely bone stock and god awfully slow.
Yeah, I'm interested to see how much cooler this thing is. It already sounds a lot sicker, so.
Look at another red 2020 giving us the flashers. I think that means he wants to race, right?
I think so, bro.
Or was that 1999?
Wow.
Isn't it so different than stock?
Okay, it's no longer just a little burble.
So let's see if we can get some pop action here.
Let's do it. Oh my gosh.
A little downshift.
Those are so loud.
They used to be Verbals, now they're man pups.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's do a little.
Dude, the turbo sounds insane in this thing.
Oh man. So rad. Alright, you ready, dude?
I'm ready!
Holy shit, bro. This is like a whole new car.
Feels good, right?
Yeah. Feels awesome.
Oh man, this honestly transforms it into just like when you first get them bone stock, I think they go like anywhere from 108 to 110 mile per hour in the quarter mile. But now it's got to be, I don't know, it's got to be in the 130 mile per hour range.
Yeah.
You know, so it competes with all of the newer cars that are so much more expensive.
Yeah.
So
man, it puts you back in the seat too.
It puts you back in the seat.
That was impressive.
Yeah, man. We'll do another little hit here.
Oh my god.
It's like so violent. It's so violent.
Holy shit, bro.
Yes. It just gives it that like oomph that you really wanted, right? Like right from the factory, like
this is what I wanted out of this car. This thing is perfect.
And honestly, it's like it's so wild to think about. This car has like an intake and it just bolts on a turbo. It's like factory fuel pump, like factory injectors, like you know, it's really awesome. They made this car. I mean, I really think everybody was upset at first with like how slow it was, but they really did a good job to make this car modifiable to the aftermarket.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
So this thing's just too much fun. I gotta hit it again.
Damn.
Dude, you hear the blow-off valve?
Yeah, this thing sounds so good now.
Nice.
Oh,
I mean, it's not like a blow-off valve is anything crazy. I mean, it's not like we're 16 anymore and, and the most exciting things.
But you can hear so much more turbo noise and like, come on, let's
fun.
be real. It gets me.
Yeah, it's cool. It's fun, you know?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, let's do some partial throttle. Jesus.
Man, it throws you back. It really does.
Like quarter throttle, you just hear spool.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. So this thing isn't completely tuned yet, so it's just like, you know, a base tune, I guess, that, you know, once they installed the prototype turbo kit. And I believe he said it's going to be capable of making like another 200 wheel horsepower on top of like how it is now. So I can't wait to go rip this thing when it's making another 200 horsepower.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's going to be a blast.
Yeah, this thing is too much fun.
I really think once like everyone's after it, like literally every shop you see a post on Facebook or Instagram like new shop car 2020 Supra, and it's so awesome that they're like the aftermarket support is going to be through the roof.
Yeah.
And I just think that it's really going to be a platform. I think like Papadakis Racing or something like that is going to be trying to build like 1,000 horsepower, build more than one already. So
this is one of the first I've seen developed so quickly, and
I mean, it must have been what, 10 years for the 2J to make 1,000 horsepower when it first came out in 1993, 1994. At least. So pretty rad. All right, so let's do this.
I need help.
It is kind of confusing. So there's this little button here you got to press on the side.
Okay.
And then you pull it down, and then it goes into drive.
All right. Wow, that's weird.
All right, so this is did you get to drive the stock one?
I did drive the stock one. Didn't do any pulls in it. We just drove back to the hotel that night, but it was still it was fun to drive.
I think you did some like quarter throttle stuff. Like you weren't like really ripping it, but
stuff.
All right, man. So first 2020 Supra pulls, and it's one with the big turbo. So we got number 272 of 1500 launch edition.
I think that's the lowest number I have seen so far.
Yeah. All right, man. Open road.
You ready? This thing rips. Holy hell. This is like everything you'd want out of this car. 100%. I would daily this. I'd never put it away.
So what do you think, man?
Oh, I love it.
Is it TRC Nick approved?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, this thing, it's rad. Insert stamp, yeah. It is rad, man.
Wow, what a fun car. On low boost, this is like, damn.
Pretty sick, right?
Yeah.
It does. Dang, this thing kicks, man.
The blow-off valve sounds cool.
Yeah, it does. So we forgot to put the license plate on. We might need that. But yeah, it runs real smooth through the gears. It's nothing like big turbo feeling either, you know? It's very linear, just very smooth power, and a lot more kick than stock. Oh yeah. Some perspective. I mean, this car does not come with a lot of horsepower, but they are so mod friendly. We're talking just a couple modifications, a bolt-on turbo, and this thing puts you back in the seat. I mean, it's obviously not the fastest thing in the world, it's not the most horsepower in the world, but just driving experience and all around just feel, it feels like a little go-kart, and it really sticks you to the seat just with a turbo upgrade, you know. So I'm definitely curious to see. We're gonna have to circle back with you once you get it on the dyno. We'll come check out how much it makes and go for another spin. But man, this thing compared to stock, it's honestly a whole other car, you know. It's a night and day difference. So you got the little e-boost there, so that thing works pretty well?
Yeah, it works great because we're able to do a low boost setting and a high boost setting, and also control water method through this gauge.
So for now, it's I guess it looks like a prototype, I think you said, right?
Right, yeah, this is a prototype kit. And actually, we partnered with our friends at Big Boost Turbo, who do all the turbo kits on the BMW. They're working great. He already made 832 on the B58 engine on a BMW, which I believe is a record on the stock block. We prototyped the kit, we built the manifold and everything, and with Big Boost, we're gonna make it into a full bolt-on kit. We have all the fittings that bolt to the block, so it's not like we're cutting up stuff and jamming hoses in. We're gonna actually have, you know, billet pieces that plug and play, so someone could put this kit on in their garage if they really wanted to.
Awesome. Badass, man. Can't wait to see it all complete.